In this video, we'll be reviewing the maintenance steps for the Platinum Split series. Inspect grills for dirt accumulation. Clean to remove dirt buildup. Remove the evaporator grill. Check for particulate accumulation on filters. Clean to remove dirt buildup. Replace if missing or damaged. Check for damage or evidence of leaks on the coil. Check coil for dirt accumulation. Clean to remove dirt buildup. Use a brush and vacuum to clean the coil. Disconnect drain line and fitting from internal drain pan. Use a drain brush or compressed air to clear out the drain line. Reconnect drain line and fitting when completed. Use a drain brush or compressed air to clear out the drain line. Perform condensate drain tests to verify proper drainage. Remove excess water out of internal drain pan after condensate drain test has been performed. Use a rag to wipe and clean the internal drain pan. Insert provided pan tablets into the drip tray. Remove the thumb screw to gain access to the electrical panel. Remove the electrical box cover. Check the control for dirt, debris, and loose terminations. Clean and tighten electrical connections as needed. Reinstall electrical box cover. Reinstall electrical panel. Reinstall the evaporator grill. Check bottle probe condition. Clean bottle probe by wiping it with a towel or rag and change the water inside the wine bottle. Next, power on the system. Check fan operation and confirm the fan is running. Check voltage and amperage of the equipment. When outside of recommended levels, find and record the cause. Check controller probes for proper operation. Check PB1 and PB2 temperatures. Check integrity of all panels on the equipment. Replace fasteners to ensure integrity and proper fit of equipment. Repair or replace damaged panels.